Progressive web applications, or PWAs, are capable of managing complex and sophisticated digital experiences. At Modyo, we use a modular approach to efficiently manage web applications through components that we call widgets. In this video, we're going to show you how you can activate a financial widget within a Modyo PWA, providing your application with new functionality, and we're going to do it in a matter of minutes. Here, we have a PWA made with Modyo running on a mobile device. We're going to improve it by adding a new feature to it. Modyo offers a variety of ready-to-use experiences through the dynamic framework. Each of these experiences is designed to add specific capabilities to your application. In this case, we're going to install a dashboard that displays bank account information. To use the widget, you simply need to copy a line of code, and the command line interface, or CLI, takes care of installing it on your local machine. When you have your customized widget ready to use, you only need to run another command in the terminal, publish it to your application, and then it is now ready to deploy into your PWA. If we return now to the Modyo application, we can see the widget we just published is available, and we only have to choose where in our app we're going to publish it. This new product dashboard is now available in the widgets section, and you just have to select it here in the PWA, in this case, to have an updated home screen. So, let's close the application on the mobile device in order to activate the changes, open it again, and here you have it, a complete financial dashboard working in this PWA using the dynamic framework. In a matter of minutes, we've added financial capabilities to our Modyo PWA. Now, our application is even more complete, compatible with all devices, and ready to provide a high-quality mobile experience. At Modyo, we're committed to creating exceptional digital experiences for your organization. If you want to see how the platform and a dynamic framework can transform your banking experiences, visit modyo.com or contact us for a personalized demo.